Hello guys, welcome on specification overview of GORENJE Dishwasher GS643. So let's start from the dimensions. It's 84.5 centimeters of height, the width is 59 centimeters, 59.5 sorry, and the depth of this device is 59.7 centimeters. The weight of this device is about 44 kilograms. The capacity of it is for 16 sets. The energy consumption for one eco-cycle is 0.87 kilowatts. The water consumption for eco-cycle is 11 liters. The cost of the 100 cycles is 87 kilowatt hours and it takes 15 euro. The water consumption for annually it's about 3080 liters. The noise level of this device is 46 decibels. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.